more time to take advantage of. You got more time in your bank to use. You know, so as long as you do that, you'll be good. But at the end of the day, you know, it's, yeah, so that's what's happening. Oh, dude. It's going hard, yo. Man, exposing Josh Answers. These kids came from New York. They set me up. They sent me a location. They have me waiting here in a KFC parking lot. They're gonna come meet me and, well, meet Josh Answers and expose Josh Answers. This is gonna be funny, man. These guys are coming out here from New York. They ambushed me. I told them the plan with everything. I said it's gonna be messy and hectic. I met these kids a few months ago. I guess this is my new duty as a person with the YouTube channel and the cult leader, honestly. So if any of you else want to meet, let me know. We're gonna have to set that up after January. Happy holidays. But this is gonna be excited. They told me to come out here. They got an Airbnb. They flew in. Oh, this is it, bro. Look at them. Look at them. They don't know it's me. Do they know it's me? I'm not even gonna open the window. Like, I wonder how creeped out there. Like, here, should we unlock the door? Yo. What's up, guys? This is your first reaction. Yeah. Let me come outside the car, man. What's up? You guys, I thought this was a setup, man. I was like, you guys sent me an address. You put me in the middle of nowhere, man. Y'all see this? This is literally the first. I'm filming the first reaction, so.
Dude, I've never.
You've never seen me now.
Never. No.
How does it? What's it like? This is their face looking at me.
I know the voice. I do know the voice. Yeah, I know the voice.
It's good, man. How was it?
What's up?
How was the trip?
Good. Yeah, this is great.
All right, we'll turn this off. You guys will see it. So it looks like we actually didn't even go anywhere, but we did. We're still in the same. We came back to the parking lot. I'm dropping them off actually. Yeah, so we went to the house a little bit, showed them around. We talked. We're just trying to figure, man. These guys, I told them, man, they didn't have patience. They bought the calls and puts at the high and low, man. I don't know what they were thinking. They're like, we're gonna come out to LA for like 12 hours. It's gonna work. But I'm glad I got to see it. But no, we're trying to plan out everything for the market tomorrow morning, all the way down to they're gonna go with lending tips to do some real estate stuff. I was trying to take them with me to San Diego, see if we could get them in between them. I was like, man, you guys are. I gotta wake up at 6 a.m. The market's dying right now, man. I gotta deal with Jax too, but this is crazy, man. I don't know if any of you guys else want to come on from YouTube. Let me know, but we're gonna have to wait till 2019. But what's up, man? What do you guys think so far? We were talking stuff in the car. What are your thoughts so far from everything to LA, meeting Josh Answers for the first time? Where's your head at right now? How do you feel?
It's crazy. Finally get to know the voice behind the screen, but.
Yeah, I finally get to see where that thumb comes from. That's crazy.
Yeah,
this place.
It's not as weird as it sounds.
Yeah.
It's not as weird as it sounds.
Yo,
I promise.
The thumb, yo.
Bro, the thumbs up.
I promise, man. I promise. It's not. It's totally chill. I get tennis. Come on, tennis. Jax really liked tennis, I think.
Yo, Jax. He was all over him.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, I was like, this is zoomed. Yeah, I was like, wait a minute, but. That's it, man. That's no other things. How you guys,
bro? LA's crazy. Like just from being New Jersey, like it's just insane. Like I've never seen so many supercars in my life. Like we were trying to find a car show, but we don't even need a car show. We just walk down the street and it's.
Dude, I think it's honestly great then for you to see it like that.
It's just like inspiration.
It's good, and then hopefully it'll give you guys context too. To me, it's like I'm not that rich, you know. Like, seriously, like, you saw that shit, bro. Like, I think I'm the poorest of my neighbors. If you put it into context. Come on, you guys saw it. Like, dude, you saw some estates in there, shit like that. Like, so that, you know, I'm motivated to get more of that. You guys see that's motivating you to want more, you know? But, like, it's a good place. I talked to him. I gave him some lessons on, you know, the people in LA versus business. You got people who are hungry, people who are lazy, people who come out here chasing a penny stock pipe dream, trying to be actors, you know? So I guess what's your approach, you guys? What's your plan now? What do you, I don't know, like how do you envision LA, the West Coast, all the way down to like, has anything changed in the last 12 hours, I guess, from being here? Has anything flipped, switched?
I've seen the hustle. This is like the real hustle. This whole area is just hustle. That's the one way to describe it.
Hustle.
It's
Yeah.
You really can't like describe this place until you actually come here. That's the thing. You really have to come here, stay here. I'm only here for how long? 3 days, 4 days.
Yeah,
You really
4 days.
we gotta come here next time.
It's 4 days? It feels like 2 days.
It's like 3. It's like 3 days because we got here last night.
Like,
So,
Yeah.
yeah, 3 days technically.
Hustle, though. No, that's a great way. And it's funny, too, because we even talked about it, right? When I was saying, like, it's what LA offers for me, and then at the same time, like, you could hustle from your own computer. You could hustle from a living room. You know, it's a mix of everything. You know, you see how I'm talking stocks with you. We're driving. You see what my mind's on. But at the same time, we're driving. I'm showing you Dan Bilzerian's house. I'm making a U-turn, and we're like, oh shit. Yeah, maybe you could door knock that house if the garage is shitty enough. You see?
Yeah.
So it's like you could, you know, it's about being. I've talked about this. It's finding the balance, like a place like LA, between you have to be able to be productive on your own. It doesn't matter what place you're on. You know, you should be able to be in Antarctica, and assuming you're not freezing your nuts off and could work, you should be able to work. You know, but then at the same time, being around certain places, like again, this type of vibe and hustle, like I said, it's just like it'll just keep you on your toes. It'll keep you awake when like you look around your friends. It's not okay. My peers are paying Fortnite. That's, you know, I got to get better at Fortnite to, you know, make it in life. No, you're gonna look around and your neighbor just got a brand new fucking S-Class AMG, and he just got the Ghost last week. Now you just see a $10 million house being built up around you. You're seeing Costanogs and Bugattis, and just, you know, it's just like, you know, it doesn't matter. I think it doesn't matter what anybody says. That is gonna push you, and it's gonna motivate. I don't know. Do you guys watch YouTubers and shit? You know, have you heard of FouseyTube? Have you ever seen that? No.
That prankster.
Yeah, he was one, and like I love the guy, honestly. He's and I think it's because he's Arab and I'm biased, you know, like tannish. I love my brown boys. I love my foreign people. TTF is very multicultural and ethnic. You know, we like the white people too. Timmy, thank you. We're glad you're here. Obviously, everybody likes white people. We have to. No, okay. They're violent. No, we won't get too much on this. But what was I saying before that? FouseyTube, yeah. And he talked about, he had like a breakdown and like he was like, oh, I hate LA, like everybody, it's always like this big dick swinging contest, like everyone, because, and that's it really is. I don't disagree with him, and I'm you know, I'm that type of person where I'm like, yeah, fuck everybody, you know, I'm not that I don't need to try to compete with anybody or do that, but man, I don't think it matters. If you're just put around that, there's gonna be some sort. What's going on? See, it's LA. I'm telling you, every time I shoot a video in LA, it's just weird shit. She's okay.
He ran down the car.
Damn, bro. She's fast. That bitch quick. Ugh, this hurts. But no, sorry. That's what I'm saying. I think, you know, you guys being around this, and like, I think it's crazy. Are you guys ready for this? For everybody in the YouTube watching, how old are you guys?
18.
I'm 19.
That's fucked up. Like, look at these kids are killers. So if you're above, and you want to know what's fucked up too? Half of the audience here is above the age of 35.
Really?
Yes, 100%. Half of my audience is above the age of 35. It's split evenly. You got 50% young people, 50% old people. Sorry guys above the age of 35. It's okay. I think I'm 25 and I'm old as shit. And these kids are young. You guys got to start early. So if you're younger than them, start now. If you're their same age, you're too fucking late. If you're older, you're still fucking late. But it doesn't change anything in the fact that it's how you do it time. Even I'll tell you guys, just don't quit.
Yeah.
At any moment. You guys even see my YouTube. If I posted videos every day, just even one time, for the last year, it would have been 10 times bigger than what it's at. If I went to the gym one time a week last year, instead of what I did, I would have had an 18-pack, and I would be the swollest man. I would be Mr. America, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, okay, it might be a little exaggeration, but you get it. But just don't quit. And you guys, man, being young, all you guys, that's insane. I think.
Yeah. I just think that, like, the part of being young is definitely an advantage, but if you're gonna like be like, you're just gonna slack and be like, oh, like I'm young, I'm starting now, I'm gonna make it eventually, like that's just gonna hinder you, and you're just gonna eventually be at the same level as everyone else. But for us, we're really trying to get it going. Like we don't have time. Like we want to be fucking rich. So if you want to get shit going, you gotta start doing shit. And like you can't just be talking about how young you are and use that to, like it doesn't matter in the end. But it does help if you are young, because it gives you a head start. But you just gotta use it to your advantage.
Yeah. Age doesn't even matter. All that matters with it, why I'm saying you guys are young. Chill, G. Just chill. Dude, why? Why do we always get that? I'm telling you, LA.
He just pulls up right next to you.
But, tell me. But like, all right, man. This video's getting weird, but we gotta. As long as the timing of it, you just have more time to take advantage of. You got more time in your bank to use. You know, so as long as you do that, you'll be good. But at the end of the day, you know, it's so that's what's happening. Oh, dude, what? It's going hard, yo. I feel bad though. He's tripping out over something, man. But
it's like therapeutical. Oh wait, I was picking his nose. Okay, he's going back to it.
I want to leave. I feel like he's gonna shoot us. Dude, this is making me. Do you see what I'm saying? LA's psycho. Dude, what is happening? I'm really uncomfortable.
Wait, why are you screaming at me? Let's leave. Bro.
Dude, is he still going?
Yeah, bro, he's hype.
Dude, that looks like me in the morning getting ready to train.
Blast the music, yeah.
Waiting for pre-market, just like, all right, let's go, baby. Dude, what the fuck? So, all right, we're just changing location, dude. Remember I told you LA's crazy. I wasn't lying, dude. Like, what?
Dude, my head hurts.
Alright, but you know, I think we're gonna finish this video. I think we'll wrap it up. You guys have any last thoughts on that?
Just go after it, man. That's it.
Where'd I go? Straight, left, right?
Straight. It's like one of these buildings, so just wherever.
Alright, man, so we'll leave it there. I love you all. Subscribe. Hopefully one day we have more of these guys out here and it's a full-on cult. This is like the official makings of it. When you have people flying out across the country and getting really, really culty. But it's really cool, man. I think you guys take advantage of it. You guys are lucky, man. Fucking internet. I wish when I was 18 I had fucking, well, I did, but I meant like when I was 14 and was starting to trade. You guys just got born way at a cooler time than I did. So, you know, you win and lose some. But we'll leave it there. That shit was fucking wild and weird. Welcome to LA, guys.
Word.
Peace.